Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fazal Hafiz. In this video, I want to explain about my weekly assignment that's make application or web when the animal to livestock, to check the animal livestock in the farm or in the like an animal like that. Okay, and first thing that I want to introduce, you need something things that you prepare. The first one is ESP32 we use in here, and cable jumper in here. We need 4 female cable jumper, and the next is RFID for a sensor to this tag for animal, and this is just miniature for like a cow in here. And don't forget about cable in here too. We use type C. And the first, we must make the web. Of course, we use pipe coding in anti-gravity in here. We use Laravel for NPHP as the language, and there is a resource in here, like there's a database in here, there's migration and model. There's 4 model: livestock, scan, user, and weight. And then this is dashboard, livestock, and seeder, and resource for your website face. And then in this route, this is for routing of your web. And the next unit is the hosting. And then you need Arduino IDE for running your code for ESP32. And we need also library in here, like Ada Fluid in here, FTP client.h and Arduino JSON-h. And we use configuration Wi-Fi 2. This is in your Android Wi-Fi. Salman, this is SID, this is the password, and this is the server URL that you need for your database. And for the pin for ESP32 and RFID, the first is SDA to connect with pin 2022, and the SCL pin 221, and VCC to 3.3 volt, and the last is GND to GND. And then as you can see in here, this is coder. I don't understand, I just five coding in here. And then you choose SPDF model here, and make sure you connect with your Wi-Fi. And let's test to check the sensor tag in here to our cow. Let's check. Okay, it checks that this tag is unknown. We can add, wait, where is it? Okay, in here in the dashboard, don't forget to check. Okay, take HC7, and we go to Livestocking to add HC7 to register to add this tag ID for your animal. Nickname is Substitute, and breed is in Padang. Seed in the jet, and the 2, and weightnya 2. Status, and this is just a strip in here, and save animal. So we already add the data in this tag that we have in SAP view in here, and let's check again this tag to your FID. Okay, let's test in the dashboard. Okay, as you can see in here, there is register animate episode view, and that's already work. And then it's already work, so I think it's enough for this explaining about detail explain. Maybe I can explain later. So thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Cek. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I just make two method that before we make for from use hosting to the project of like in the sharding or livestock in the farming, like we use the tags in every single animal. So if we check their attendance or maybe their I think I just in this video I just use for the attendance of the animals in the animal range or maybe something else, but in this video I will use the with not with hosting but with the what is the name, I forgot. It's just Firebase. Yes, I use with Firebase. And the thing that we need to use this Firebase, if you use without hosting, the first thing, I make this project and you must check in the Firebase GS. Make sure you already add the Firebase here. This is the data here. The thing is very important in here. You import the service Firebase in service Firebase and service Firebase, and in this code is from the Firebase config that you already make or create or made from Firebase. So in this Firebase you add, and forget, you make the creative project here, and then after that you got this config. You just copy here into your Firebase GS in here in the service, and then the next you must make a database storage and choose real-time database, and after that you make the data manually. This is the livestock metadata. Sorry. And this number is for the ID of your tag, so it depends of the tag's ID, so you can make it later, but this thing is for the animal who wears the ear tag, and this logs is for like attendance entered or something else. Okay, like that. And then in the Arduino ID, if you use ESP32 and the RFID, so make sure you add this include. I make it from AI, so you just need to make sure it's compatible, and don't forget to download the library and include in here. And the first is very important in here, API key and database URL. This is for your Firebase config that already create in Firebase, and this is for your Wi-Fi and password configuration, and this is for your configuration your IoT things like ESP32 cable jumper and what I forgot, RFID module. So you just need to connect the pin in every like SDA, GND, SCL, VNN for default and another else, and then you can upload, and don't forget to connect your laptop with your ESP32 and then upload and check, and then you can scan the Eartag for your animal, and then there will be there will be like notif in here like this is from our Firebase. But if already connect with your application, like your IoT things that we already configuration before, so it will come in here. Okay, maybe that's the difference we use hosting or Firebase. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.